Let's see how was the kid doing today. I don't see the mother anywhere in the sky, but there are some other birds flying. Okay, so this is the nest, and let's see how it looks like. But you can see there is a change. You can see the feathers that have changed from black to light brown color. I am a little bit sad because there were like 4 eggs and I see only one bird inside. I hope this bird should be safe. Thank you. The mother is here. Let's see if it's not scared and feed today. Waiting. Waiting under the bushes there. You can see its tail. There you go. It's there. It's feeding there. And it went away. Let's see after eating how was the kid doing today.